Hello and welcome to the March Wildness update. I am Batsuono.
I'm Gabriel something, probably Costas.
And here's a quick recap of the current standings. Tell them, Gabe.
Thanks, Jim. Tiger's Blood won by 66 votes, easily the closest race of them all. So Very Good, however, destroyed Lemon Sensation, Dave. Watermelon overtook Christmas Hooker, Summer Solstice beat out American Pie, and Vanilla Clouds absolutely demolished Twin Mint. Back to you, Jim.
That's not my name! But anyway, yours is still in the running, but the vote hasn't happened yet. In any case, how many people have entered into the hardware giveaway? G?
We currently have thousands entered into the hardware, Jim. How many are still in the running for a lifetime of VapeWild e-juice?
We still have a lot entered and in the running. It's a nail biter.
The running is still getting hotter. Black Jelly Bean is still there too, Jim.
The vote hasn't happened yet, and my name is Batsu. You know, I'm getting real sick of this.
That's wonderful, Jim.
You know what? I'm about to give you 5 from the wild side across your face if this keeps happening.
Jim's a wild guy, Jim.
I will pile drive you.